So HUL met with the analysts, and there are some key highlights and key factors that have come in. One, they've clearly highlighted that inflation surely is a concern right now, and that is something that is challenging for the environment as well as of now. Especially, they are highlighting one important factor is that the price increases that they are taking surely does impact the volume growth, especially coming in the rural markets as well. Because of this inflation, they've taken price increase. Because of the price increase, volume growths are getting impacted of the company. Now in the near term, this environment is going to continue to be a bit of a concern, because what the company has highlighted is that in Q4 they're seeing a higher inflation than what they saw coming in Q3 as well. And now inflation is widespread, especially across their portfolios. Around 30% of their inflation is on their entire portfolio. So look at the inflation coming in, and obviously because of this inflation, all companies had to take a price hike. But what they're highlighting is that because of this inflation, volume growths are getting impacted, especially coming in the rural growth as well, and they do have a very decent rural salience as well. So surely that does impact the company. Now overall inflation, because of the inflation, the nutrition business has also witnessed a slowdown due to this, and which may even continue in March quarter 4 as well, what they are highlighting. So surely that is one factor to watch out for. Now other than that, out of home consumption actually and discretionary products and discretionary sales have actually crossed the pre-COVID levels in the month of December. Now we'll have to see that how that is carried forwarded as well as when you look at other products like health, hygiene, nutrition growth, that has remained moderate, a bit moderate, but still the sales are above the pre-COVID levels. Now nutrition business, like I mentioned, has seen a bit of a slowdown. So modest growth is what they are highlighting. Other than that, despite the inflation, when you look at the premium product portfolio, that has actually grown faster than the mass product portfolio. Now why is the reason? Because the reason is that affluent families, they were not much impacted by the COVID situation. So surely that is something that has not impacted companies, and premium product has grown, premium portfolio has grown faster than the mass portfolio as well. Now let's talk about the medium to long term outlook for HUL. Now HUL aims to actually achieve a modest margin expansion, mainly driven by cost rationalization as well as premiumization, two factors which will be supporting the margin expansion in the mid to long term. Other than that, in the December quarter already we've seen that the company has gained market share, and that's the highest they've gained in the decade as well. So market share gain has been across categories, across price ladders as well. So whether you say premium products or mass products, they have seen a good growth coming in over there. So surely keeping an eye out on all these factors, especially given that inflation is increasing, that is something that we'll be watching out for. And D2C, we cannot, they have touched upon the D2C as well, and what they are highlighting is that the competitive intensity is surely high in the D2C, but it's a niche part of the market yet. So surely not much of a concern coming in there, and some growth in D2C category is also seen by the company, and a shift is coming in over there as well. So surely they are looking to capture this market. They will be focusing on this market as well, and the mid to long term outlook for margins is a modest expansion for HUL.